Now children, next chapter, sixth chapter. What is that chapter? Angles in our surroundings. Here ANGLES. Angles. INOUR our. SURROUNDINGS. Surroundings. Angles in our surroundings. See, here one girl is standing. What she observe? What have in her hand? Watch only. She is keeping watch. See here, Sujata lives in Khammam. She is going to her uncle's home in Hyderabad for Dasara holidays. Sujata's grandmother gave her an old watch before she left home. See here, Sujata saw the time in her watch many times during the journey. When she got on the bus, it was 3 o'clock. When she stopped for tea, it was 4 o'clock. When she reached her uncle's house, it was 6 o'clock. See here, her grandmother giving some old clock. She observing time. See here, see the small and big hands of the watch at different times. See, in watch 2, in short hand, long hand, small hand, big hand, short hand, long hand. Two hands is there. Now see, observe. So, at 3 o'clock, the small hand is on 3 and big hand is on 12. Small hand we are having 3, big hand 12. So now time is, in this clock to time is 3 o'clock. So the angle between the hands of the clock is shown here. See here, observe this. See, observe this angle. This one you observe, angle here given. Okay, in 2 clocks, 2 hands 2, in middle 2, one angle will come. This one only angle. See, next clock. Next time, not next. At 4 o'clock, the small hand moves to 4 and the angle changes. See here, there 3 o'clock to this like only having hands, 2 hands. See here, some change only. There some angle will change. You observe this. See, here also you observe. See, you observe. Here only, this like, and here some big will came. Next, at 6 o'clock, the angles has changed again. See, here 6 o'clock. Total will cover this like only. So, the hands of a clock form different angles at different timings. See, in different timings too, angles also will different. In first 3 o'clock to some only having angle. Here too some different. Here also one line to covered angle. Understand children? So, the hands of a clock form different angles at different timings. In different angles to different time. Next page. See here, we can observe angles around us. Sujata came back to Khammam after her holidays and told Habida and Keshav that angles are formed when something turns. Observe the angles between the door and the well, between the book and its page, and between the TV and its antenna. See here, observe here. See. Here also will angle will come. Here also will angle. Here also will angle. Here also. In TV to antenna. See, observe these angles. Here some down will keep antenna means which like angle. Here straight will keeping antenna. Here this like there will cross will. Okay, changing angles only here. Here also same door. Closed means some only closing means this like total opening. See here book also. Sujata put the pencil flat on a paper. She drew its outline. Then she turned it as shown below. See here, one pencil will taking and draw the outline. See, she observed one angle will keeping. We can see the angles formed between the outline and the actual pencil. See here, outline the actual pencil to here to here, here to here. Next, angles are formed at corners also. Here corners also one angle will come. See here, this like. Here to here one angle will come. Two walls make an angle along their corners. Their corner to see here. Here to here one angle. Two walls make an angle along their corners. Corners to make angle. Here also same. Do these problems. So see the angles marked in the picture below. Mark more angles. See here. Here also one angle. Here also. More angles only. Here two moving means here one angle. Here one angle. Like that only. See, do this. Mark angles in the given pictures. Try mark more than one angles. In each picture, see duck opening mouth only. Here one angle. See, here also one angle. Here also angle. Here also angle. Here also one angle. Here also angle. So you keep like that only. Okay. Here. 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 Understand, children? This like will angles will come. Next one. Okay. See all of you children. Okay children, now observe the figures given below. We can see right angles in them. See here given F. Here to one angle will come. See suppose take this like paper. So divide 4 parts. In each part, one part will take angle. This is right angle. In this shape, and this are having right angle, and this one right angle, and next this one right angle. This one right angle. Understand, children? Here right angle, here right angle. This is called right angle. See here, we have observe the figures. There we are having here also one right angle, here also one right angle. This one also right angle. Here L. See here corner 2. Straight line right angle. This line will come means not right angle. Not right angle this is. Okay. This is right angle. See here. Straight line to covered. See this. Understand, children? Here. See here. This one also. Right, see. Here to here. Right angle. Here to here. Here also right angle. Understand, children? This is called right angles. Example of right angles. Understand? What is our chapter? Angles in our surroundings. This is total introduction part only. Angles in our surroundings. Observe these figures. Where we are having. In suppose, see where will come to see. This like we have it. Where will come? Right angle. Here. In two walls is there. In between, one angle will come here. This one is right angle. Here also. Right angle. Understand, children now? This is called. This one is called right angle. Here is called right angle. Understand? You observe these ones. See, children, now do this problem. Mark the right angles in the given pictures. You mark more than one more. See here. One clock is there. Here angle is will come. Here one note is there. Here also angle will come. Understand, children? You observe and write this, okay? Here also same. Here also will angle come. See here steps is there. See. Here will angle came or not? You observe it. Here also you observe and write, okay? Write them. See here also. See, in wall is there, bricks is there. Here one angle, here one angle, here one angle. In one angle only came? No, so many more angles only. So you try this, okay? You do all problems. I am saying this also. See here also. In clock to one angle only. Here also one angle. See, clock to see. Here one angle, here also one angle. This hand to here. This to here to here. Here to here. Here also. Understand, children? Wherever corners having, there are corners to came the angle only. Understand? Did you notice something? The hands of the clock make right angles at 3 o'clock. See, observe. And 9 o'clock. 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. You observe it. And the clocks in hands to which angle will come? Which angle? Right angle. Okay, but they make right angles at other times also. Other times also make. First you observe 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Okay, children? In your clock to observe today. Okay? Next, see. Try this. Draw a clock where the hands form a right angle. Draw one clock and where the hands form a right angle. Wherever came right angle, you draw and check it, okay? Understand, children? Wherever having, you observe it, okay?